What's going on, guys? So Tesla has simply been on fire lately. We have reached new all-time highs, and today we're going to be talking about Tesla and the upcoming quarter. So we have this article right here where this analyst is predicting that Tesla will have another profitable and an even better fourth quarter than the previous quarter, which is the third quarter, which took us all by a surprise. Tesla in the third quarter, they were profitable and no one was expecting that. And pretty much ever since their third quarter, Tesla has just been on fire, and it almost seems like the company cannot do anything wrong. But let's take into consideration, not too long ago, we were seeing articles being released about Tesla, people saying Tesla with a $10 price target, people attacking Tesla, attacking Elon Musk, saying that this company is going nowhere, this company can't be profitable, this company will not succeed, will not make money, etc. And then it's funny how tables turn, and all of a sudden Tesla has reached new all-time highs of $413, and we are currently sitting at all-time highs of $405.59. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla, how they've been on fire, which appreciating by roughly 125% from its mid-year lows. And despite some weaknesses in the first two quarters of 2019, Tesla has delivered an outstanding Q3, and Q4 is more likely to be profitable, according to Victor Deragunov. Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai is already rolling out Model 3s, and the company is planning to start construction on its next Gigafactory in Europe 2020. And there's plenty of more news that we're going to be catching up with Tesla right now. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment sections, how high do you think Tesla's going to go? We've already seen a bunch of crazy videos, a bunch of crazy articles, people saying Tesla's going up to 400, which Tesla already went to 400. I made a video, I think around 2 months ago, saying Tesla with a $400 price target, and we've already hit that $400 price target. It does not necessarily mean that Tesla's going to continue to climb up. At this point, it does look like Tesla's a little overbought, but we're going to get into technical analysis real soon. Let me know your thoughts. How high do you think Tesla's going to go? Is 1,000 way too high? I even saw a video or an article, someone saying Tesla with a $3,000 price target. At this point, I think people are just throwing out numbers, but let me know your thoughts and opinions of how high do you think Tesla can go. So first things first, let's look at the Tesla charts. As you can see right here, Tesla is sitting at $405.59 per share, which gives them a market cap of $73 billion. So the thing I really like about Tesla is their shares outstanding. They only have 180 million shares outstanding, which means that Tesla has not diluted their shareholders, which explains why this company is very volatile and why it makes some huge swings. We went from being as low as $180 not too long ago, which was its mid-year lows, to now being over $405.59, reaching new all-time highs of $413, which is its new 52-week high. And we're just going to be looking at Tesla real quick. So as you can see, we had a resistance line right here at around $380, and I've been talking about this resistance line for a little bit of time now. And as you can see, Tesla's been trying to get over it and then eventually popped above it on December 18th, 2019. Tesla broke above the resistance line, and now we're at the point where are we going to continue pushing forward, or has Tesla been overbought? As you can see, there's a lot of green volume right here. It does look like Tesla's overbought. I would not be surprised to see a pullback on Monday, but at the same time, I do think long-term Tesla will continue to push forward, and this company at this point, especially if they release a fourth quarter that's even better or just as good as the third quarter, I do think Tesla will continue to climb above $400 and beyond. At this point, I'm not going to throw any crazy numbers out there like $1,000, but it does seem very realistic to me right now. Tesla will continue to push forward. We might see a few minor pullbacks here and there. Tesla does seem to have been overbought. We have a nice gap up over here, and I do think these gaps do need to be filled. But once again, none of this is guaranteed. Nothing is ever for sure. Anything can go wrong. At one point, some horrible news can be released about Elon Musk, or anything can happen that could take us by surprise and completely turn things around. But the way things are looking right now, Tesla can do absolutely no wrong, and they've been on a huge run from their lows all the way back here in June to now, Tesla has gone up over 125%. So Tesla stock temporarily dipped under the $200 level due to the worse than expected Q1. The company lost a staggering $702 million in the first quarter, followed by another significant loss of $408 million in Q2. Back in the first quarter, a lot of negative stuff being released about Tesla, everyone losing faith in Tesla. Tesla was getting price targets of $10 and worse. Tesla was just being attacked, and at this point, Tesla could do absolutely no right, and everything that Tesla was doing was wrong. And then before you know it, despite such losses, the company's cash position remained strong throughout the year. The high Tesla vehicle penetration rate in the US appears to be the transitory phenomenon. The Chinese Gigafactory is already rolling cars out in China. Tesla is planning to start building in its next Gigafactory in Europe, Germany. The company has a very strong pipeline filled with remarkable new vehicles. Q3 financial results were much better than anticipated, and Q4 will probably be another extremely profitable quarter for Tesla. Therefore, while there is good possibility that Tesla shares may correct and go through a consolidation phase in the short term, I expect the stock can continue to move much higher long term as Tesla continues to increase sales, improve production efficiency, continue to build its revolutionary ecosystem, and resumes to capture substantial market share in the global vehicle market. The stock should proceed appreciating long term. He pretty much just said it. In the short term, we might see a little bit of consolidation. Tesla might have a hot week like the previous week, and this week coming up could be a red week. But in the long term, I do see this company continue to push forward, especially if they continue to release quarters like Q3. And if Q4 is even better, I won't be surprised to see Tesla go over 500 because we've seen the positive reaction to Tesla's Q3. If Tesla tops themselves in Q4, and delivers with their promise of delivering 360,000 vehicles this year, then I won't be surprised to see Tesla continue to push forward and continue to reach new all-time highs. So Tesla has sold roughly 255,200 vehicles in the first 3 quarters of 2019. It's also important to mention that deliveries in Q2 and Q3 were roughly 50% of the above Q1. This tells us that Tesla can scale production extremely well and demand remains robust for Tesla vehicles despite the lackluster results we witnessed in the first quarter. So right here we have a chart, Tesla sales by quarter. So as you can see right here, we're going to be going to the most recent ones. In Q1 2019, Tesla just delivered a little bit over 60,000 vehicles, and then Q2 and Q3 was when Tesla was getting close to the 100,000 vehicles delivered per quarter. So what we're expecting for the next quarter, hopefully Tesla delivers over 100,000 vehicles, which will mean that Tesla will keep their word of delivering 360,000 vehicles in 2019. But as you can see, Tesla has slowly been steadily increasing, minus Q1 2019, where we had a little hiccup. When you look at Q3 2018 to Q3 2019, Tesla continues to increase the amount of sales of Tesla vehicles being sold. We can look at some more statistics, which is small plus mid-size luxury cars. And as you can see, the most popular one is the Tesla Model 3. And that's more popular than the BMW 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 series, than the Mercedes, than the Audi, Infiniti, and Tesla right there is on top with 127,836 Model 3s being sold in the US. Results could be higher, but for the sake of keeping our projections conservative, let's presume that company delivers just 105,000 vehicles in the Q4. So I said I want Tesla to deliver a little bit over 100,000 because right now Tesla has delivered 255,000. So if they do deliver 105,000, that will mean that they literally delivered exactly 360,000 vehicles in 2019, which is what Elon Musk has promised us. We know that Tesla has repeatedly reiterated that it will very likely deliver more than 360,000 total vehicles this year. This implies that in Q4, Tesla will probably deliver at least 105,000 total vehicles, and that is if the company hits its low-end target range of 360,000 vehicles. So we can apply an average selling price of roughly 100,000 for each Model S and X, and an ASP of 45K for the Model 3s. This will amount to roughly $3.54 billion in revenue for the Model 3 segment and about $1.9 billion in revenue for the Model S and X. So right here we have the Model 3, 3.54, Model S and X, 1.9 billion. Energy generation and storage, that's 420 million. automotive leasing 235 million, services and others 570 million. So total revenues for Q4 would be 6.665 billion dollars. And this author is saying that he's being very conservative with these projections. His projections are slightly below consensus analysts, which is 6.86 billion dollars. The one concern I do have about these projections is they are a little high. And when analysts get high expectations, and let's say Tesla does under deliver, this could negatively affect the stock. But since these analysts have high expectations, if Tesla delivers up to these expectations or beyond them, then who knows what's going to happen to this company. I wouldn't be surprised to see Tesla go up to $500 per share. So besides the Model 3, the Model X, and the Model S, there's a vehicle we have not been talking about, and that's the Model Y. And the Model Y production is scheduled to begin in 2020. So that will be another huge game changer for Tesla. Not to mention, we're not even talking about the Cybertruck, which will add even more revenue to Tesla. And who knows what else Elon Musk has up his sleeve. He seems to surprise us or have a new surprise for us almost every year. Elon Musk, to me, has so far proven that not only can he walk the walk, he talks the talk. He talks the talk, he walks the walk. He walks it like he talks it. He literally has delivered in almost all his promises. Sometimes he delivers late. Sometimes he overpromises, but then over delivers. It doesn't matter. But so far, Elon Musk has been a man of his word, and he hasn't let his investors down, especially not with the promises that he's made. So another one, the next Gigafactory in Germany. Tesla's already making plans to start a production on its next Gigafactory, and this one will be in Europe, Germany. To be more precise, the construction is expected to start 2020 and 2021. And let's not mention, this is not their first Gigafactory. They already have experience building these Gigafactories. So this one is expected to end in 2021. The company's plans for Germany seem completely plausible. This factory is also expected to produce around 500,000 vehicles annually at full capacity. That's just ridiculous. If Tesla is able to produce 500,000 vehicles just from this one facility in Germany every year, I think that will take Tesla to an even newer level. And it seems like Tesla's just spreading and growing. And at this point, they can't do nothing wrong. But I won't be surprised if in a couple months, some negative article comes out about Tesla and short sellers are back attacking this company, because it seems to be happening to this company all the time. When Tesla's going up and they're high, people jump on this company, they praise it. And when Tesla's low, something goes wrong, people attack this company like they've never done anything right. So the bottom line, expect a strong Q4 and a solid 2020 for Tesla. I'm going to leave the link of this article in the description below. I don't want to read the full article, but so far from the looks of it, it looks really good for Tesla. We're already at new all-time highs. We reached new all-time highs of $413 per share. Monday, which is tomorrow, or depends what time I'll be releasing this video, I won't be surprised to see a couple red days this upcoming week, mostly because I do think Tesla has been a little bit overbought, but that's only in the short term. In the long term, especially if Tesla releases an amazing Q4, I won't be surprised to see Tesla continue to make new and push for new all-time highs. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about Tesla. What are you guys expecting from Q4 and for 2020? Also, their share prices. What's your predictions in 1 year? How high or how low do you think Tesla will go? If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.